User's Guide for Your Anytime Continuous Glucose Monitoring System. Step 1. Preparation. Place the transmitter into the charging stand. Observe the status of the charging indicator. Flashing indicator means charging is in progress. Constant blue light means that the battery is fully charged. After charging is fully completed, remove the transmitter and prepare to wear it. Now, the transmitter activates Bluetooth mode. Step 2. Download the app and connect the transmitter. Scan the QR code on the product packaging with your phone. Download and install Yuwell Anytime app. Log in, then complete your personal information. Turn on Bluetooth. Please do not turn off Bluetooth during the period of transmitter wearing. Now the app displays the transmitter number. Confirm that the number matches the number of the transmitter used. Click to confirm the connection. Scan the QR code on the sensor packaging box with the app, or manually enter the number below the QR code. Enter the sensor information. When the 1-hour initialization countdown appears, it means the pairing has been succeeded. Please confirm if the transmitter is fully charged. Step 3. Select and clean the wearing body part. To select the wearing body part, keep away from scars, muscle tissue, and ulcerated skin areas. To wear with the arm, the user can choose the side or back of the upper arm where is rich of fat. If the user is relatively thin or has developed arm muscles, he can choose to wear the transmitter on his abdomen. Avoid ribs when wearing the transmitter belt and the area within 5 centimeters around the navel. After determining the wearing body part, disinfect the skin of this area with alcohol cotton pads for thorough disinfection and cleaning to prevent dirt from affecting the adhesion of the sensor. After disinfection, place in the sensor after the alcohol is completely dried. Step for place in the sensor. The sensor is disposable sterile consumable. After opening the sterile packaging of the sensor, placement should be completed immediately to avoid contamination due to long-term exposure to the environment. Confirm that the packaging is intact and within its validity period before use. Open the sterile packaging. Hold the orange area in the middle of the protective film. Remove the protective film from the sensor tape, thus being relaxed. Attach the sensor to the clean skin. Press the insertion device so that the adhesive tape firmly adheres to the skin. Slide to open the safety lock of the insertion device. Then press the gray buttons on both sides simultaneously. A click sound means the placement is successfully completed. Remove the insertion device slowly. Step 5. Install the transmitter. Tilt the transmitter into the sector slot on the sensor. Snap on the transmitter until a click sound is heard. Rotate in reverse to confirm it has been locked. If it does not fall off, it indicates that it is installed in place. Wearing of Yuwell Anytime is finished. Please do not remove it during the wearing period. In addition, please make sure to avoid being scratched and squeezed. After 1 hour of sensor initialization is completed, the Yuwell Anytime app starts displaying blood sugar values and performs blood sugar monitoring. Step 6. End of wearing. After the wearing period, the transmitter and sensor need to be removed together slowly, removing the sensor tape. The transmitter can be reused. After removing the sensor, the transmitter needs to be removed. Peel the buckle outward from the side gap, and then slide the transmitter apart to separate the two. Place the transmitter into the charging stand for next time use.